Hello and welcome to Forest Tech. As always, we bring you tech reviews, tips and tutorials to help you live life smarter, and I really wish, hope and pray that you're all well, keeping it safe and clean around you. Now in this lockdown, you have an absolute privilege to be more productive to level up your presentation game with my 2-minute tutorials. Today, in 2 minutes, we will isolate a single color like I did with this daisy flower or the blue color water in the pool. You can isolate anyone wearing a certain color and so on, so you can get to highlight the pivot point of your video. Now to do this, you can use almost all video editing applications, but I'm going to be using Premiere. So let's open up a new project. I'm going to name it Isolate Colors. Open up the footage. I'm going to be picking up this daisy flower. Drag and drop it to your project window. Drag it over to your timeline. I'm going to unlink and get rid of the audio, which is almost empty. This is how our footage looks like. What we want to do is to keep this yellow center of the flower and the white petals. And the rest of the scene, all that green area, is something that we want to be desaturated. Now to do that, we'll head over to Effects. Look for Leave Color. Now you can double click that effect or drag and drop it to your layer. Let's head over to Effect Controls. Let's look at the amount to decolor. This is how much you want to decolorize the rest of the colors in the video. Then you have color to leave, tolerance, add softness and match colors. Using RGB, that we're going to leave it like that. Pick up the color picker and move over to our video. Now here you have either the darker parts of this center or some of the lighter parts. What we want to do is to pick up something which is right in the middle of these colors, the average color. Select that and head over to Amount to Decolor. I want to bring it over to 100%. Move over to tolerance. This is how much you want the color tolerance to be. But the more you move further, you're going to start seeing more of the rest of the colors popping into your scene. As you see, I move above 50, you start seeing that green colors coming back. What we want to do is to get rid of those green colors, and also is to keep a bit of that milky color there on the white petals. So I don't want it to be completely desaturated. I want the petals to have a bit of milky white color there. I would like to keep the tolerance to somewhere around 31%. Let's play it out and see. Pretty cool, right? Let's head over to Window, open up Lumetri Color, add a bit more touch to it. Move over to Saturation and raise up the saturation a little bit. I think a bit more than a little bit would be fun. Not too much and not too less. Somewhere around 140, 150 would look good. That looks pretty good. So yellow pops out a bit more. Move over down to Vignette and add a bit of Vignette to it. Somewhere around -1 looks good. Let's play it out and see how it looks. Now your scene looks pretty slick, doesn't it? Pretty cool, right? There it is. Hope you find this rapid and clean effect helpful. What more would you like to learn? Shoot it down in the comments and we will see you soon with another video. Till again, Forest Tech signing out.